Hi everyone, I am Akshay, an ERP customer support executive at EduPlus campus. In this video, we are going to see feedback module. In feedback, we will first go through all the modules. Like we have department feedback coordinator, SA feedback role, SA feedback reports, and we have SA feedback masters, SA feedback current AY, faculty, HOD, and if you want to block the student, we have three options. Now we will first start with the Now we'll set feedback current AY. Set current AY. Set the current academic year for that feedback. Here we can see feedback 21-22 semester 1. You can select here and select the module and set which is the current year we have to set over here. Next is essay feedback master. Essay feedback, essay feedback master. In master we will first go with the feedback category type. In feedback category type, you can add a feedback category, enter the name, like we have a student feedback or academic feedback, then select the feedback type like course specific or non-course specific. So we can add over here. You have to then after adding you can is active or off. Once added feedback category, then we have to go with the feedback category. In feedback category we have student feedback or academic feedback. Then feedback category name we can give and give the display name. Like we have a student feedback, display name we can give as A, B, or anything, and category name as behavior, teaching, or anything. Also we can select here academic feedback. It is academic, non-academic, and etc. After that we have to offer the feedback category. In offer feedback category we can offer the previous year also, or we can assign a new. Select your academic year, select the feedback category type, select the feedback category, that is behavior or teaching, and write here the weightage. In weightage is nothing but for per question we have 5 marks for per questions. So if we want to add the 9 questions, then we can add it as weightage as 45. So we can add 5 questions. If you want to add 10 questions, then we can give the weightage as 50. So we can see here we have had behavior questions like weightage is 125. So 5 questions will be added. Is component applicable is active, so we can on and off the toggle buttons over here. After offering the feedback category, then we can add the questions in the feedback. In questions we have question type like MCQ or subjective. If you want to add subjective MCQ question, then fetch. We can also in this we have a facility of copying the previous year questions. So if you add want, see we can, since it's a current year, not we have added any last year, so it is blank. Now select here the academic year, student feedback category type for academic or student feedback, and select the video behavior as a feedback category type. Now we have to select the load type. Please don't forget to select the load type. It is for theory, lab, or tutorial. Okay. Now here we can add the questions. Like we can see here, question number 1A1. So right here the question statement. Then and here we can see the weightage is given for the that question. We can see here where options are given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and also we can assign weightage for that options. Okay, once you add the question and weightage, you will have, and click on add and save, then question will be added. See here we can see here the behavior questions and teaching questions are added here. Behavior questions are 0, so it is not visible. You can see the questions by clicking on this number like 10. 10 questions of teaching are added here. See now 10 questions. Question number 1 A101, is faculty punctual to start the class? And you can see the weightage is 5. It is a load type is theory and lab, is active, true. Then you can see here options like first option A, excellent, 5 marks, B, very good, 4 marks, good, 3 marks, satisfactory, 2 marks, and not satisfactory, 1 marks. In this way you can add the question and their weightages for all the options, so you will be able to see all the questions added over here. Next option is student feedback version. Now we have to set here the student feedback version. Like select the academic year for which we want to take the feedback, then semester 1 or 2, feedback number is 1, 2, 3, 4, and select the start date of the and the end date of a feedback. And we have a is active option, is yes or no, and also option is secret code applicable. This secret code applicable is for offline feedback. If you want to take the offline feedback, then you can select it as yes. If you're taking online feedback, then select it as a no and click on add button. Then you will be able to see the academic year semester feedback is added here for so and so date. So if you want to apply, we want to apply feedback for a program wise, then select this program wise here, select the filter. You can select, see here, year wise feedback can be taken, like first year, second year, third, fourth. If you don't want to take any feedback for fourth year or first year, then you can just toggle off that buttons. Now we will only feedback will be visible for second, third and fourth year. In this way we have covered all the master related in the feedback. Like, thank you.